Could you give us a word picture on the current state of the iron ore business?
We are seeing some softness in the market. We are seeing some concern in the market, people wanting to stand back and watch what's happening. That's exactly why you saw the big price fall 2 months ago. The prices started picking up subsequent to that, and we've seen an ability to sell more iron ore in the last month. We anticipate in the very short term probably to have quite a soft market, but the long-term fundamentals, even the medium-term fundamentals of the iron ore industry are still very, very sound. Prices come off a bit, it's still a very, very strong price. In September, the spot price in China was $180, and we must emphasize that that was at the peak of, that was the highest price we've ever seen. Great prices, nobody ever thought they'd be there, for an extended period of time. That price has come off. It fell from $180 down to $116 early November. That has recovered subsequent, also very quickly in 2 weeks, to about $147. It's subsequently come off that a little bit. So we're around about $140 at the moment. But the fact is, the world is volatile. We shouldn't be surprised to see price swings, demand swings for iron ore, for steel, for just the economies of the world may take a breather to stand back and say, look, let's just see what happens here. And that's never good for growth, and it will affect the growth. Time and sense prevailing, we'll be able to overcome this.
Are you still working as flat out as you were?
Look, certainly we're not seeing any cutbacks at the moment on any of the iron ore producers. But being a smaller player than the big three, we would be normally affected quite a bit later. And at the moment we're selling pretty much everything we can produce. This is traditionally a slower quarter for us because it's winter in Europe, and it's very cold in majority of China and in the northern hemisphere. So traditionally you see in this quarter a bit of a slowdown. But normally, because of their cycles throughout the year, you can't turn a mine on and off in those cycles. So we produce on a constant basis, and that includes including the festive season. We stop for 1 day on the mine, and that's Christmas Day. And then every other day of the year we mine flat out.